Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Voglers Cove is a small coastal community located in Lunenburg County on Nova Scotia's south shore. Situated along Route 331 between Liverpool and Bridgewater, the community overlooks sheltered waters, small islands, and the Atlantic coastline. The population is small, with only a few hundred residents living in the immediate area and surrounding countryside, giving Voglers Cove a quiet and rural atmosphere. The history of Voglers Cove is closely connected to the sea. The Mi'kmaq lived throughout this region long before European settlement. During the 18th and 19th centuries, settlers established fishing villages and farms along the coastline. Protected coves and access to productive fishing grounds helped support the development of small maritime communities such as Voglers Cove. Fishing has long been one of the most important industries in the area. Lobster fishing, in particular, remains a major source of employment for many residents. Fishermen, deckhands, seafood processors, marine mechanics, and businesses that support the fishing fleet continue to play an important role in the local economy. The waters off Nova Scotia's south shore are among the most productive lobster fishing areas in Canada. The natural beauty of Voglers Cove is one of its defining features. The coastline includes sheltered inlets, rocky shores, islands, and views of the Atlantic Ocean. The surrounding area is popular for boating, kayaking, fishing, birdwatching, and hiking. The combination of forest and ocean landscapes creates the scenic character for which Nova Scotia's south shore is well known. Voglers Cove is located near several notable attractions. The nearby Le Havre Islands and Crescent Beach area attract visitors looking for outdoor recreation and coastal scenery. The region is also part of the Lighthouse Route, one of Nova Scotia's most popular scenic travel corridors, which follows the South Shore coastline through numerous historic fishing communities. Like many communities along the South Shore, Voglers Cove developed around maritime industries. Small harbors provided safe locations for fishing vessels and coastal trade. For generations, local residents depended on the ocean for employment, transportation, and commerce. That maritime heritage continues to influence the culture and identity of the community today. Housing in Voglers Cove remains relatively affordable compared with many waterfront areas elsewhere in Canada. Average home prices often range between $250,000 and $450,000, depending on size, condition, and proximity to the ocean. Waterfront properties and homes with direct coastal views can command significantly higher prices. Today, Voglers Cove remains a peaceful South Shore community shaped by the Atlantic Ocean and generations of maritime tradition. Its fishing heritage, natural scenery, and quiet coastal lifestyle continue to attract residents and visitors who appreciate Nova Scotia's connection to the sea. Thanks for watching!